Welcome to Sir Banks Go Channel. I definitely see this channel keeping growing and able to acquire brands and land and buildings in the near future, hopefully soon. I want this channel to keep on growing to 80,000 viewers and 80,000 subscribers by end this month. If that does occur, I definitely want to acquire this coffee shop and 7 Million Coffee Shop to have them open one location in Jackson Hole, Wyoming, and second location in United Kingdom. Possibly in the United Kingdom version, probably in the castle. Like and subscribe. Thank y'all for everything.